Okay, so I'm about to check the piston oil squirters. So that is a piston squirter. So the idea is that when the engine's running, these squirt oil onto the bottom of the piston for cooling and cylinder wall lubrication, etc, etc. And you want to make sure that these are open and squirting okay. So what I've done is I've squirted some lubricant or some thin oil into the holes, and so it's just sitting behind the squirters. Now the hard part is that when you use the Stomski piston squirter tool, which is this doodad here, it works great on the left side of the case, it's nice and easy, but on the right side you have another set of holes that drain, and these are what lubricate the main bearings for the crankshaft. So what you've got to do is you've got to cover that hole up and then use the piston squirter so that the squirters will work. So what I'm doing is I'm using a gloved hand. Trust me, use a gloved hand, and you put your thumb over the hole, and that should be enough to build enough pressure. If you don't use a gloved hand, you might find that the fluid in there will cut your skin or pierce through your skin. That's how much pressure there is. So trust me, don't do it with a bare hand. So anyway, I've already squirted some oil in there. I'm just going to turn the camera around. Let's see if we get some oil squirting out. Yep, that one's good. Do the second one. And we'll do the third one. And there you go. All piston squirters are nice and clean and working perfectly. Make sure you check that on your case before you put it together.